Hi everyone, this is part 2 and I'm going to teach you in detail how to use the continuity mode, the most used mode in every multimeter. So let's get started. We use this mode to test fuses like this one here, coils, transformers, or just simple cable to find if it is good or not, and much more. So let me begin with this fuse, one probe here, another here. We get a beep, means the fuse is good. Okay, another fuse here. This is basically a burned fuse over here. One probe here, another here. We see no beep, means 100% the fuse is burned. Okay, it's not serviceable. So of course I can check also using the continuity mode the coils or inductors, because this kind of compound is just a wire, as you can see. So one probe here, another here, we get a continuity, means this is a good coil. The same for the transformer. Of course we have here two coils inside it. Of course if we check this first coil, we should get a continuity. As you can see, the second coil, we get a continuity, good. Means this is a good transformer, of course, in the secondary stage. And of course, we can check a simple wire, as you can see, we will get, of course, a continuity, as you can see. But let's make it easy 100% for beginners. So if I put one probe here, like this, the second one here. So guys, look, I will make it easy for beginners. You see, the two probes are connected. If I cut this wire, look, the continuity is gone. This is just for beginners. So please remember, continuity mode simply checks if electricity can flow between 2 points with very low resistance. If the resistance is low enough, the meter beeps. If it's too high, silence. This is the key truth. Continuity does not mean good circuit. It only means connected, or the cable is good. So remember that on most multimeters, continuity mode is combined with diode test, sometimes resistance mode. You will recognize it by the speaker sound icon. And on motherboard, continuity helps you to trace signals, find broken paths, verify vias. Basically, I have a video about vias, a very important video. I will put the link of this video in the description. And of course, to confirm ground connection. Example, touch one probe to the USB pin, touch the other to the resistor or IC pin. If it beeps, they are connected.